What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. I hope everybody's having a great day. Guys, I've been trying to get these things out, but been busy at work. But we're going to be rocking these because there's a ton more photos coming out. Yeah, we got this video I'm making for you today, and I've got another one that should be out Friday or over the weekend. So stay tuned for those, and we'll be rolling those out. So be sure to keep checking back, as we know how we're being blacklisted on YouTube. Anyway, let's get into this. This is from Sol 2 of Perseverance, right? Now, my good buddy Thomas, Mikey Jensen, had seen this photo and seen this object, and I'm going to show you this photo much better right now. You can see this object way in the back here, pretty interesting, and he pointed that out almost immediately when this photo came out. But I've seen something a little bit different. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you this one here, of course, close up, and then we're going to go right into the full enhancement. So let's jump into that. Here we are right here, and we can just zoom right in. This thing's neat. Now, this is a very small photo. Of course, I make it much larger so you don't see this thing break apart. See the way that's doing that? Now, if you use your magnifier, just to the left of this said item here, okay, we've got that, but we also have this. What is this item right here? It has 90-degree corners to it. Imagine that. Now, let's go into the full enhancement and much larger photo, shall we? Okay, right here. Again, we've got this item here. And we've got this item over here is what I was more interested in. But check out the other little lines. All in these areas here. Now I'm going to zoom in. Okay. Now these lines here just appear to be just the ripples in the sand. Is that true? We'll get into that in a minute. Here's the object in question. Notice this right here. See that? There's 90-degree angles in this. Funny enough, guys, you go back to the original, suddenly this just looks like a bunch of separate little parts laying on the ground. And I'm going to go into that during our live feed. I'm going to show you how much it's changed, because there's a couple panoramas already out, and I don't mean just by, you know, NASA JPL, but other people who are stitching these together. Suddenly they look a little bit different, right? Yeah. I don't know what this is right here, standing up right here. It appears to look like this here. Okay. Looks like it has a small neck on it and comes down like this here. You guys see that? Now, I don't know if that's just the background and the way that looks right here. But notice this object in the back. Right here going like this. At least that's the way it appears to be doing it, right? Goes like this, comes straight down. When we have the top of it right here, going down like this. Now, notice the inside has these lines to it. Now, in my opinion, and you can see the proof to this, that this was in fact, you know, doctored up or centered out. And you see some white pieces on this side right here, all along the inside wall of this thing, right? But again, my biggest thing was that we have what looks like a 90-degree angle piece right here. And again, we'll get into that much deeper when we get into the live feed. We got something that does this, okay, has this center piece coming like this, and appears to be doing this across in the back. I don't know what to make of this stuff, guys, but this clearly doesn't look natural. At least in my eyes, it doesn't. Check this out. Over here, we have these straight lines, but check this out. In between these straight lines, you got kind of like there's nothing there. Kind of like fades out. But when you get to the other side of this fade out, they're all perfectly level. What are the chances of that in nature doing that? Interesting. We've got something right here. And all I do is bring the lines out. There's something right here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay. Going like this, coming down. And you can see what looks like sections of this thing. You got what looks like a small box of something laying right there. This thing, I'm not sure what to make of this. This is cool. Let me get into that a little bit more. See that? Not sure what that is. And again, we have these other objects right here. Now, let me just get out of here just a little bit so it's not too grainy. Okay, so we got these lines here. Now, this is what everybody needs to pay attention to. Let's go into the other photo. Okay. We'll go into this. Just made the photo a little bit bigger. Check this out. Look at this area right here. Look at the actual fudging right here. You can literally see the line of it. Okay? And you can see the line of this manipulation. And you can see the other lines I just showed you on the ground. You guys see those? Look right here. They're all right here. Nice and straight right across. Don't think for a minute, though, this is not manipulation and censoring. But you can see the bottom line. The question is this the bottom line to the manipulation? Or was this something there that they didn't cover up with the rest of this censoring and texture they put over this top area? I don't know. Jump back out of that. And you can see like these little faint lines, like in this so-called hill here. Look at this right here. And notice how these things happen to go up. Nice and straight. Go straight across. Nice straight edge. But then look at the little lines in here. They're very faint, but right here. And then you don't really see anything on this side. You guys see that? Check that out. Right here. Very, very faint. You got pieces that are on the ground right here. And again, guys, I just used the burn tool just a little bit to see if we could, find any lines in this photo. Sure in the heck, look at this. These little lines happen to appear right out of the dirt, so-called dirt. We got this object right here. Not sure what to even make of that. It looks like kind of like a twisted metal to me. And it's going like this, kind of going down. And you can see it looks like the underneath of it, like it's twisted like this. And then the back of it, or the top of this, is now in the back here. And we're seeing underneath it, or the back side of it. You guys see that? And, of course, it does this. Comes around. Almost looks like it has, like, almost a full circle. Like, this went absolutely all the way around. See it? And has this hole to it. That doesn't look natural to me, guys. Okay? Again, we've got these lines here, but check this out. The reason why you can almost tell this is hair, look at this. Comes out. Goes like this, but there's a bare spot right here they forgot to take out. There's like a 90-degree angle. This thing going like this, and then inside and what looks like a freaking hole, but it just disappears. And you can see it actually keeps going here. There's actually two pieces because I just noticed this now. Check this out. We can leave that piece there. But check this out. Looks like right here, very faintly, comes down. This goes like this to the 90, comes over to here, goes like this here. You guys see that? That's pretty interesting to see something like that in the dirt, and it just happens to be natural. I don't think that it is. Just my opinion. And again, you can see crystal clear where they did not cover this up. Nice 90-degree angle, and you can see the actual shadowing, if you will, of the rest of the piece underneath this texture. See it? Is that just merely coincidence? I don't think so. And you can see other white pieces here. Like something else sticking up right here. You can see that. Not sure what to make of that. I don't know if that's a shadow or what that is. Well, looks like other pieces here. Look at this in the soil or dirt, if you will. Right here, you got this other shadowed piece. Doing this here. Okay. Oh, guys, there's much more to see. And I'm going to show you that in the next video as well. Really, really cool stuff here, guys. Cool, cool stuff. I'm not sure if I say this is a rock because look at the way this thing kind of looks like it's shadowed here. You can only see a dark piece of it, but it comes up like this here. Nice smooth corner and goes inward. And then, of course, you got these darker gray pieces here. This, to me, looks like something that's very smooth. Could be a metal, could be a plastic, I don't know. But it's just a little odd when you look at that. It's nice and smooth. And like I said, it's got the nice and smooth radius right here. Oh, this corner right here. That's pretty cool. Something right here that's reflective or white in color. But then the rest of it is kind of this gray color. Almost looks like it's doing this. Piece going down like this into this. You got some just weird things just coming out of the soil. But again, just using the burn tool just slightly brings these things out, just pops them right out. These lines are in there or they would not come out. It's as simple as that. Now, if it was just a normal ripple in the sand, we can go, okay, that makes sense. But just like this area here, there's something very reflective here. That does not look natural. And like I said, these could be ripples in the sand right here. I don't think that's the case. I think these were there's something else, and they try to just kind of smooth them out. And this is the reason why you're seeing these. But look at the other straight lines. And you've got this other piece, too. I don't know if you guys can see this. This is cool. Almost looks like some kind of pipe or something. The opening's facing right at you, completely smooth. You couldn't get that much smoother if you wanted it to. And yet, that's in the middle of rocks and just chaos. This item right here looks like it appears to be doing this. Comes down. Not sure of the back because it looks like it's kind of hazy. Can't really see it. Doing this. Whatever that is, I'm not sure that's natural. I don't think it is. Again, they're doing more manipulation. They've been doing this right from the word go. And I'm kind of glad that they're still doing it. Meaning, they're allowing us to see this stuff. Clearly it is there. I mean, we all know what a typical rock looks like. I mean, they're all different shapes and sizes and everything else. And it could be jagged, could be smooth, could be this, could be that. But look at the way that is white, sitting on the ground. It's either A, reflective, or white in color, like aluminum of some sort or something like that. Not sure. Whatever that is, I don't know. It's pure speculation on all of this, guys. But some of these things clearly do not look just natural. And that's awesome. Because we get to see this stuff. Or at least some of it, right? Maybe a tip of the iceberg sort of thing. But like I said, I've seen this right here. My buddy Tom has seen this first. He's the first one I've seen put it up. Now, everybody's doing it, of course. But this piece here is what struck me. And you can see the way this thing looks like metal framing or something. Just the way these intricate parts look. See this? Piece coming down the center. It's just the way it's made. It just doesn't look natural. This thing right here looks like it's an open area. Something coming straight out of it, like this. And if we go back to this one, you can clearly see this. This is the real photo. In fact, let's do this. I'm just going to bring up the exposure, just so you guys can see this a little better. Let's bring it up. And we'll just sharpen it a little bit. A little smart sharpen there. Okay. There you go. Is that normal? That doesn't look natural to me. Not in any way, shape, or form. And guys, this is the original right here. There you go. Exposure up. Put a little more clarity into it. There you go. What do you guys think? As always, guys, tell me what you think. Leave your comments down below. Like and share. Always appreciated. And guys, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So this way here, YouTube will share it. Guys, I got another cool one coming up from Perseverance. And we're going to have a whole range of these things. So stay tuned. Anyway, guys, have yourself a great day. Good night. And I'll see you soon. Peace.